Hello Tom, how you doing? It's been a while. I thought it's been good. I'm just in the rail replacement bus. And I thought I'd give a start video because I'm in Bartlett and probably the signal and just audio. Yeah, how have you been? Been a minute? Been a minute? You've grown a lot. Nice. Where are you studying? In Bristol. Nice. I'm on my way to Bristol University, Bristol Temple Meads right now. At King's and Imperial, London. My PhD is on detecting manipulation in language models. Right. So wait, I'm gonna stop now the video, and what I can repeat to you without getting too sick. Still hear me? Still happy? Brilliant. So yeah, tell me, what are you thinking? What's your, I guess it's not a thesis, I guess, but it's a dissertation. Yeah.